Title: The Wise Little Bird. Once upon a time, in a big forest, a tiny bird lived happily on a tall tree. One hot day, the forest caught fire. All the animals were running away. The little bird saw the flames and thought, "I must do something." She flew to the river, picked a drop of water in her beak, and dropped it on the fire. Again and again, she carried tiny drops. The animals laughed. "You are too small. You can't stop the fire." The little bird replied, "I may be small, but I am doing my part." Soon, the clouds saw her courage and sent heavy rain. The fire was gone, and the forest was safe. Moral: no one is too small to make a big difference.